going on, everybody? It's Dean with RC Driver. Hope you're all doing well today. On the workbench, we've got the Hitec RDX2 Pro charger. This multi-chemistry dual output charger has got many features and hooks up to a smartphone via this additional Bluetooth dongle. Can't wait to tell you about it and all it can do. All right, let's talk about everything that's to this charger, starting about how it looks. We've got a nice metal top to it, multi-function, branding right on the top, RDX2 Pro. We got the nice Hitec logo. Just 3 buttons on the top. We've got our channel button, which toggles between channels A and B. We've got our mode and stop button, and we've got this toggle wheel that helps you sort through all the menus really easily. On the side here, we've got our DC input. We've got a USB port, so you can charge your smartphone or a tablet. Got our little fan port here, helps keep all the internals cool when you're charging at high amp rates or discharging. Over on the other side, you can see you've already got it plugged in, and we've got our on-off switch. Charger's got some weight to it. It's got some mass, I'd say about a little over 2 pounds. Underneath, we've got some rubber feet, prevents it from slipping once you put it down on your pit mat so it stays put. So it's a quality unit. It's got some quality components in it. Forgot to mention, important part, we've got our LCD screen up front too. We turn it on. It's a backlit type screen so you can see everything nice and clear. Also, on the front of the charger, we've got our output ports. They're labeled positive and negative. They're XT30 type connectors. So if you've got a battery with an XT30 connector, you can plug it right in. Hitec also comes with some adapters. So you can plug these in. If you've got a Dean's style connector, you can plug straight into that. If you're running different connectors besides the XT30 or the Dean style, you are going to have to make some adapters. I made one for XT60s and EC3s as well. We'll show you those in a little bit. Right next to that, we've got our balance port. So you can plug your balance port directly into the charger. Hitec also included one balance board that encompasses many different types of balance ports. So that's really cool. In the center, we've got also another USB connector so you can plug in the cool little Bluetooth dongle that we're going to tell you about in a little bit. And on the other side, we've got everything again because, again, this is a dual output charger. Let's scroll through the menus on this awesome little charger just so you can see all that it can do. All right, so we turn it on. We see Hitec RDX2 Pro. We've got channels A and B. This channel button toggles back and forth between the 2 channels. So we hit the toggle wheel, goes into our settings. So we're already set at LiPo. You can increase the charge amperage all the way up to, let's bring it all the way to the top. Here we keep going. Oh, went too far. 14 amps, so that's awesome. 14 amp charge rate. Really good for high capacity batteries. And also this is a 6S capable charger, as you can see over here. So you can charge LiPo packs from 1S to 6S, so big batteries, small batteries alike. This unit can charge it, and it can charge it at a high amp rate to get it done quickly. So again, we got LiPo fast charging, LiPo storage charging, LiPo discharging as well, so you can discharge your packs. Again, balance charging, probably the most common type of charging for your LiPo. It ensures all the cells within the pack are equally charged to capacity. Again, LiPo charge again. We can back out of this and see what other chemistries this charger can do. So again, we've got LiPo balance, Li-Fi batteries, lithium ion batteries, lithium high voltage batteries, which are one of the newer products on the market. So this can take care of that. Nickel metal hydride batteries, NiCad batteries, lead acid batteries. We've got our battery meters, so you can test and see exactly what voltage the individual cells are at. You can check your battery's internal resistance. This is something that I think is important. If you've got one cell that's better or worse than others, it can really impact the performance of the pack as a whole. So this is a really cool feature. And then you can go into your system settings. You've got a safety timer. You've got your capacity cutoff, 5,000 milliamps. If you're charging a bigger battery pack, you probably want to change that. Again, this is showing that capacity cutoff is off. So again, unlimited capacity. We've got our temperature unit in Fahrenheit, your charge and discharge times, and all sorts of other cool little features. We've got our buzzer kept on here, so you can hear it as I'm turning through all the different menus. and our software version as well. We'll back out of this, back to system settings, and we'll go right back. Oh, DC power supply, all sorts of cool stuff. But again, most of us were probably going to be using this LiPo battery feature or probably the lithium high voltage feature. All right, let's talk about the Bluetooth dongle that Hitec makes and the cool app that they have. The Bluetooth dongle will connect to your iPhone or any other smartphone for that matter. You open up the app as it's happening right here. The Bluetooth automatically connects. You just tap the button, syncs it up, and you're going to see these menus pop open in just a second. Create password. We're not going to create a password right now. And as you can see, LiPo, Li-ion, Li-Fi, lithium high voltage, nickel metal, NiCad, PB, lead acid. You pick the number of cells, you pick the charge or discharge that you want, and all sorts of other cool features. Also, what I really like about this, you go to program, you click the plus, and you can create, get this, create QR codes that you can print and tape to your batteries. So we got LiPo, 2S balance charge, okay. What do we want our charge current to be? Let's pick 5 amps. As we scroll up to 5 amps, save. It creates a QR code. So you click on it, you can see that, then you click print and it prints it out. Don't do what I did though. The first one I did, I printed it out, full sheet of paper. Tried to print it from my phone. I found works best as I emailed it to myself and printed it that way. 2 inches wide, about 3/4 of an inch tall. Did look a little bit fuzzy in my opinion, but you know what? It works perfectly and we're gonna show you that next. All right, so we've got our New Wave 5200 milliamp battery plugged into our balance port, plugged into our charger. We're gonna click scan to go. We're gonna click, we want the A channel. Click allow. We're gonna go right over to that. And bam, the battery starts charging. It is that simple. I've done this to several different batteries and it works every time. And again, I was nervous. I thought the QR code printed a little fuzzy, but it works perfectly. And then as you can see on the screen of the phone, it's showing you the individual progress of each cell, approximately how much the battery's taken, the charge current, and all sorts of really cool information. All right, we're gonna charge 2 batteries at one time. We've got a 2S 5200 milliamp, we've got a 4S 7600 milliamp. So we're gonna click channel A, we've got scan to go, channel A. Next, we'll go over to channel B. We're gonna click scan to go, channel B. And again, make sure you're square. And bam, both are charging. You can toggle back and forth on your phone or whatever device you're using. We're at channel A or channel B. You can see what's going on. Each cell's at 4.03 volts. It's taking 38 milliamps, 39 milliamps. It's showing you how many seconds. It's our cells, our charge current. Toggle back over to B on your smartphone. Again, you can see exactly where each cell is at, about how much it is, how far it is to fully charged, and all the other important information you need to know. Costing about $185 plus $25 for the Bluetooth dongle. This is one of the more high-end chargers on the market, but I would say it's still a good value. You've got to remember, you could charge up to 14 amps with this unit. You could charge a 6S LiPo, and it's really well built and heavy duty. So while the cost is a little high, it is a very capable unit. You're probably not going to need to buy a replacement for this unit for a very, very long time. Hitec has made the menus very interactive and easy to use. And when you add the Bluetooth dongle and Hitec app, the scanning feature is really cool. You can scan the battery and go, and you don't have to worry about accidentally entering in wrong parameters and damaging a battery. All right, thank you for watching this video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Drop us a comment below. Tell us what you think of the Hitec RDX2 Pro.